birds. I love learning about birds. Look how she's watching the birdies. That's what we do at my house. There's the Canadian geese. Do you see them up in the sky? They fly in the shape of a V. Birds can fly. They fly high. Some fly miles across the sky. And they like the water. See the big geese over here? Canadian geese. In the spring, birds build nests, not to rest in. They build nests for their eggs, for their young. Some birds bring twigs and leaves and bits of string. Some are neat. They build small, tidy nests. Look at that. We see robins up here, and we see purple martins over here. They like those birdhouses, the purple martins. I want to get one of those. Day and night, mother and father bird watch their eggs. They keep them safe and warm. See the wood thrush? Oh, aren't they pretty? Here's the mockingbird, and look at his little baby birds are peck, 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 chip, chip, chipping right out of their eggs. Here's a red-winged blackbird. Look at him. He's bringing food to his babies. The babies have no feathers. They can't fly, but they're hungry. Oh my, they can eat a lot. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? That's a bluebird feeding her babies. Isn't that sweet? Very sweet. Baby birds eat worms and grubs, beetles and bugs, and tiny insect eggs. Here's a scarlet tanager. Oh, aren't they such good mommy and daddy birdies? They take care of their babies. Soon the young birds will grow feathers. They have lessons to learn. They must learn to mind mother, and they have to learn how to find their food. Look at the quail. See the mommy quail? And her babies are following her. She's teaching them how to find food. Some birdies take a turn at learning to swim. Look at the mallard ducks. And they're teaching their babies how to swim in the water. Oh, look at him. He found a nest. He has to be very quiet and careful when he looks. Most birds learn to fly. See that one? It's learning to fly. Out of the nest, says Mommy. Come on, gotta fly. Oh, this is by the sea. Look at that. Gulls and terns can see fish through the waves. Down they swish, up they flash with fish in their beaks. Gulls and terns. And look at that. They love the water. Here's more water birds. Long-legged water birds walk on the beach. They wade in the water. They run among the rocks. They eat tiny crabs and bugs that they can reach. See the snipe? There's a snipe. Look at the children. They're having fun on the beach. Many birds like grain and seeds. See the chickens and the pigeons? And she gets to hold baby chicks. They're adorable. Lucky her, right? Here's a bobolink. Bobolink eats most as summertime ends. Then the black and white and yellow of this happy singing fellow turns to a dull brown as his travel time rolls around. His colors change so that he's camouflaged among the trees in the fall and winter. Summer passes, weeds and grasses fade, fruits disappear. Look at the big sister taking brother for a walk. Isn't that good? That's very nice. Cold winds shake the trees and bushes. Wintertime is near. Look at wintertime is coming. Something tells the birds to fly southward. Off in flocks they go. Larks and warblers, thrushes, thrashers, gray geese following their leaders. Off they fly with a honk or a cry. We love to watch that in the fall when all the birds fly south. It's a beautiful thing. Now the ground all around is cold. Some birds stay. They may eat at your feeding tray, and they do. Yes, we see finches and chickadees and nuthatches and woodpeckers. Bread and suet and seeds are the food of a bird that a bird needs in the cold. On the snow, you may see a small chickadee hunting seeds. See, look at there. See the chickadee? They have a black hat, so we call them black-capped chickadees. And we can go sledding on our hill next to our house. That's like Grammy's. The spring will bring back many birds to sing. They will nest, raise their broods, hunt their food, sometimes rest. The right time for each, they know best. And look at that beautiful wood thrush. The wood thrush has the prettiest song I've ever heard. Sounds like a flute. It's just beautiful. Look, flying. Birds can fly. All right, I love you. See you later.